Initially, I thought OKRs are just another set of fancy management terms that just get in my way of doing things. But we had some very insistent colleagues who made sure that we actually try to understand what they can deliver. And we learned that actually it's just a better way of writing down what you want to achieve in a way that is action-oriented and leads you to actually achieve the goal. And with that, I was sold, and then we started to figure out how to use them.
OKR are a great tool for the airline industry for two reasons. First one is the airline industry is a very volatile business with a lot of changes in the macroeconomic environment. And second is we have a very high complexity within this business. There are a lot of different entities across different regions that require alignment across these entities.
One of the difficulties that we had in the early stages of the OKR was to structure all the data that we had. We asked the teams, okay, please think about objectives, key results. We talked about what that could mean and did trainings, but we realized that when it came to check-ins or retros or thinking about how can we improve the process, we did not have a single source of truth where we could all look at the same things, use the same terminology, look at the same documents, and it created quite a lot of overhead, which in turn created resistance. So Workpath has played a pivotal role in us being able to align around a single space that has all of the different aspects that we need to actually manage those conversations.
Nevertheless, Workpath is not only a software provider, but also delivers the other parts that are required for a successful implementation of OKRs. And I see three pillars there. Yeah, it's the operating model or the process, it's the people and the methodology, and it's the tooling. And Workpath provides all of these three pillars.
There's learning opportunities, there's training opportunities that you have with the suite of different solutions that are in Workpath. So for me, it's a one-in-all toolset that we can use whenever we have different needs. And so far, we've been very happy with all of the support and all of the answers that we've gotten. So it's a more holistic offering that we have, but obviously the more tangible thing that we integrate on a daily basis is the software solution.
And then as you iterate, you get used to this tool and use it in a practical way, and then the benefits start materializing.
So all in all, this focus that the methodology brings has resulted in increases in pretty much every key metric that we have. So definitely is something that we will continue doing, and I expect that we will continue to increase as time goes by.